video mmeshalo where I was talking about Okono siri no nya nwanyi ka owu. Okono siri no nwanyi ka owu no onwe ife o yeme. Okwefu no pia wana yetare kita. Some people there, brother, you are becoming so childish. You are becoming too childish. You are doing this boy. Now, one of those people who could that thing, because remember that before I listen to you on my page, Marone was somebody nedo totally neutral. But all the people that frequently comment on my post, when I see somebody like Jpac, when I see somebody like all those guys, Nafanolo live broadcast or Matthias, I always pay attention na the comments. Do you know why I do that? That is exactly how I stopped listening to Ejike Moment of Truth and the Guru Igbo. Simply because I noticed that when they come to my page, what they try to do is to suppress that energy to speak. They want to suppress it so that you will not really say much to counter the information the other party leave go out there. So they will come up with all manner of things. Ejike will start preaching about forgiveness. Guru will start going back and forth about reminding you that this is not who you are. You understand that kind of a thing. I see it as a weapon to weaken you from your area of strength. Now, why did I stop listening to Guru and Ejike? When I go to other pages we are contending with, let me put it that way, because when you go to Matthias' page, definitely I am contending with him. And when you go to all those platforms that support opposite of what we preach, I see their comments. Now, when I see their comments there, I ask myself, is this the same person that was advising me or that was dropping another comment on my page? Could this be the same person? Then I came to understand that these people are simply manipulative. They are simply manipulative. What they do is to come and psychologically manipulate you into silence so that the information that is left out there can fly and fly and fly high. Now, this is what I do to people who regularly comment on my video. Just like I have said now, what I do is that I go on most of these, like I don't usually frequent Matthias' page except now somebody or tag, maybe you know when you phone somebody feel who no need it can know onya tag him. I may choose to go to that place. But outside that, I frequent page Waja. I frequent some of the pages. Hey, what I go? Okay, there are tell gang. Come on, no, you quick better. But I can one or two things and eventually you could bring somebody in. But all the same, let us know whether or not you're adding who. Hey, what I go? I always see if you are a kind of person that when you comment on my page, sometimes I will throw it back to you. Na live section. I want you to see why I always do that. Because most of you, nature and mad way you, I don't know why you people always fail to understand that everybody cannot be daft. Everybody cannot be an Opo. And I have chosen not to be an Opo. So that is why you will hear me regularly ask people, go to that page, go and screenshot your comment and come and show me. Usually when you hear me respond to somebody like that, mano fugolu comment here elsewhere. If you hear me respond to somebody like that, or go that person or call other person up na my program, mano fugolu comment here elsewhere. For example, when the moment you start talking about issue of Jpac and Ogechi, some people will come and remind you how you are gradually joining Saga. They will come and remind you how you are not preaching peace. They will come and remind you how you should allow Ogechi and Jpac to no longer. They will come and remind you how you are being one-sided. They will come and remind you how you are okay. Obiajuro. Let me block you so that you can stop advising me. What I go? Let me block you so that you can stop advising me. Oh, ni je na page ngwakopele obi ajolo. Je na page Jpac je search ya obi ajolo. Ka ifo onye na advise m iru ebe ahụ efu ya ebe ọ na-agụ iyi iru ebe ahụ ifu ebe ya wekwurịta okwu ezugo sef ọsịgo na ezugo wuo onye ala na ezugo wee iru ebe ahụ ifu ya ebe ọ na-agụ Ogechi iyi ije na peji mata ya sị fu ya ebe ọ na-agụ Evangelist Ebuka Obi iyi. Now I have understand all these things. Look, let me tell you, in case if you don't understand, I studied Facebook very well before I came into it. I observed Facebook very well before I came into it. There are people I usually listen to when I come on a live broadcast. Have you asked yourself why I usually listen to those people? There are those people who are not like, when I mean by it, they don't always agree with what I say. They don't always agree with what I say. But when I go to other platforms and I see their comment, I will say that it is the same position Fane maintain in my page that Fane maintain in other people's page. So now, have you not seen that these people are honestly giving you their opinion on how they see things? It is very clear. And I don't know, bringing you in is becoming a problem. Maybe you can use another account. Bringing you in is becoming a problem. Maybe you can use another account. Are you getting what I'm saying? When you go to other platforms, let me use those people who are calling for peace as an example. I've seen a couple of people who will come to my page and say, I'm not me Ndi Igbo Jeme like this. Why Ndi Igbo actually maintain peace? I would take notice of that particular account. Now, when I see Jpac on a live broadcast, or I go on another page that is running a live broadcast about the similar matter, and I see how those people are coming out and presenting their own issues, I will see that same person maintaining the same ground. When I see those people, I ignore them on my platform because I know they are speaking from a neutral point of view. But there are those people, yes, that have a program. Guy, iso na ndị na-eme n'udo agha adụ n'ala Igbo. Kedu ife unu ji amụ ya ọkụ? Kedu ife unu ji eme n'udo agha adụ? Ọwụsọ ndị Igbo ka ọwụsọ ndị Igbo. When you go to other platform, when you go to another platform, another platform kete for ha ebe ha na-asịgo na Ogechi iwu onye ala, na Ogechi iwu nke a, na Mathias iwu Mezaya, na Ebuka Obi iwu onye ohi, na Jeremiah iwu nke a, na onye ahụ nke a, na ezugo na ahụ ya, na iji ụwa bụ afọ ọnụ ka onye a ọkwa onye enubia na Facebook nke gị bịa preach peace. Have you seen? This person has chosen the side Ebo Sholi belong. I studied Facebook very well. So when you see me blocking those people, know that I know that these are people who I have seen their comments in different platforms. You see, did you notice something? There are so many people who are always preaching about peace. And the moment they will come to preach this peace is the moment I follow. Na say onyefa na support otoro. Need dismantle wana asiaho. You will see them, they will come in with that distraction. I know. But ị gaa na page mgbe onye ha na support na-atụ okwu tokwa asị ahụ. If ebe ha na-asị ya, right on. Now, most of these people, I saw comment of 3 people bịa na my page na-preach peace. Ezugo peace, ezugo peace. Na ị na-agba fuel n'ọkụ. Why iji agba fuel n'ọkụ? Mgbe ị gaa na page Jpac na mgbe ahụ na-eme program ahụ na-eme yesterday. I followed that program for some time before I entered my own program. I saw those 3 people. They commented. Do you know what they were telling Jpac? Do not apologize to anybody. Do not apologize to anybody. Do not apologize to anybody. Are you getting me? These are the kind of people we are dealing with. Now, as a content creator that you are, if you fail to identify these people accordingly, you will not actually know the people who are possessed. So I think that is why I resorted to taking most of these people out, or I will wash you down because I know you. You may think I don't know you. How else did I notice that boy, Anapo Fidel Castro? How else did I point at that guy, Anapo Fidel? How else? You see? How else did I point at him? This is somebody I know who has been the highest critics of Evangelist Ebukobi. Zion. Even when I speak good of Zion, honor insult him. Even when people has leveled all manner of allegation against Zion ministry, and I am there dismantling that lies, honor Gomi. But this is somebody who came to broadcast where they were calling for Zion ministry to denounce Ogechi Njaka, and he said, and I quote, Evangelist Ebukobi is my spiritual father, but because of Ogechi, I am beginning to lose interest in things of Zion. I know your antics. Stop advising me. I don't need that advice you are giving me. Stop coming to my inbox. I know what I will do to you. Your account will become waste. I hope you know. I just don't have that heart to be doing that to you. But do not push me. I don't need your advice. I know my people and my people know me. I know distractors. I know wicked people among you. You think you can come to give me an advice? In him that advice. How many times have you advised Jpac? Yes. Thank you, advisor. Advice Oge. Advice Oge. Okay. Nice one. It seems like Oge is the only person who needs advice here. Jpac doesn't need advice. Obviously, Jpac is speaking your mind. I am not stopping you from supporting Jpac. Do not come to my page to come and disguise yourself. It is better now, this one. Okay, but if you try to disguise yourself, because one thing with this disguise matter was Gulu was taking that advantage until the day I noticed that this is really whom Gulu is. That was the day I started being harsh to him. I believe not all of you, when I wasn't being that harsh to Gulu. But there was a time where I have seen that this guy is full of deceit. I have seen that this guy is not genuine. I have seen that this guy has really taken a side. But he just wants Oje na page ni omuloko obe na my page or 1 million shock or danyoro obe na my page or 1 million. If what you weigh 1 million na my page, call danyoro from dismantling the heap of lies. Hajenalo build on a page born a walk. Obe na my page or 1 million. Oje na page also or walk. I know your antics. Do not think I don't know your antics. Look at HK. During the time I arrested Jele, according to them, on defamation, HK was preaching peace. HK will always come to the page to remind you that 2 wrongs don't make a right. If you can remember, that used to be his lines. Hey, what I go? Joy Emmanuel, you are such a sweet soul. Oh, Jesus Christ. God, do what I go? Thank you very much. Dalo. No, the info the efa obiano bim kwampa. Enwe no mangole no. O se nde na bia agri, nde choludo na bia agri. E chokoludo. Let us have peace in Southeast. Mane na bia agri. E got to go. So, HK Pota, remember this line from HK. 2 wrongs don't make a right. Do you remember that line? HK will always pretend to be a peacemaker. Now, I came across his comment. Na page where Waja invited the same guy, Puloku Matthias. Matthias, that guy came into that program and ọ na-ekwu okwu a na-ekwu sị gbagharị ya ụfọdụ na-ekwu sị ya ọ Matthias ka Matthias gbagharị ya. Do you know what HK wrote when he came in there? Look, let me tell you, for some of you that are still listening to HK Moment of Truth, you people are making a very big mistake. HK knows what he is doing. The only thing HK na-eme ofu post ebe a na-adụ hash on Matthias. ọbata ebe ahụ ka o wuru ọghọ mmiri danye ụnụ ka ọkụ mana ofu ebe a na-akwanye obomọkụ maka Mathias ọfụna na this page na ọkụ na-enwu n'isi Mathias ọfụma ọbịa ebe ahụ ghọọ fuel na-akpọ n'ime dị ọkụ. We know you. I am telling you people that we already know you. We already know you. That is why nche koye ejike akonye ye bon afọ yofu ishe na maha mo ma akoye. Even na koye fa ho comment here. If you come to my Facebook, my phone now, this particular one, NGMA, this video, nyaka nja like either watch Facebook efa because epiage your television. You gotta go. Epiage your television. Oh, yelu, onu se ni gbe yelu. Ine nene yo na ato. You gotta go. Let me not lie. I have more than, let me not lie. I don't want to lie or over-exaggerate. I have more than 70 comments on Facebook. I have more than 90 something comments on my phone. They want me to keep calling them. They want me to keep calling them. I have their comments on Facebook. I always screenshot it with regard to an issue naga on Facebook. That is why when you see me on a live broadcast, those people I always come out harsh on. Marana, it is not really about the comments they have dropped. It is because of who they are. Those are the people who don't know that I monitor their comments on Facebook. Remember, this is not the first time I am saying this, but I want to say it because I saw somebody walk Obomoko. He was calling for peace. And I asked myself, Onya won't follow comment here na page Jpac just last night. Ebo wolo Obomoko. Mana obialo fo na efa hi na ekwu ban. And Roman, if you continue to say it, you might get to the heart of so many people from their camp. Or 1 minute, biako kwanyuogo, edu wiki. I always, if there is something I have always done different, it is knowing people who actually are my fans. That was why Shoma Sonitech started sounding somehow during each time I raised the issue or issue concerning Ogechi is being raised. I address her. And when I address her because I know she's my follower. I know she's my follower, and that man know my follower, they follow him very well. So how else was I able to get the point that Nonya they follow him? How did I know that each time the issue of Ogechi comes up, that she always flares up? How do I know? That is because I monitor comment sections. So if you are talking about peace here, I also want to see you talk about peace na other page. But if you go there to go and local because you want them to scatter Onyana scatter at that page, then when you come to my page, you want to come and present yourself as a peace ambassador. Well, the news I have for you is that from yesterday till today, I have blocked over 100 people. I don't even need you in my page. I want people who will be criticizing genuinely. I am not against you criticizing what I'm saying, but I want you to be criticizing genuinely. All those troublemakers, you see them, don't apologize, don't apologize, don't apologize. That was what they were all shouting at Jpac's page. When they come to your own page, they will make you look like Now let me go to issue of Mathias also. When Mathias raised an issue, Hamana, Nefa, you will see them. Wachineke Gabanilu, write down Wachineke Gabanilu. When they come to your page, 2 days ago, I saw somebody who said that Nezugosa contribute to this unity and among Igbos. I laughed. How I wish I can go and bring out about 9 to 10 comments of this particular person on my phone. Can go say somebody who is promoting peace among Igbos. You gotta go. Somebody who is promoting peace among Igbos. Look, people know what they are doing, you know. In case if you don't know, if you are believing that people don't know what they are doing, you are joking. I am telling you, it is to go telling you. People know what they are doing. They don't like you. Anything also, no matter how sensible it feel na the thing you do, they don't need it. Where I actually made a video calling for peace, some people be and agree. Onya na agree or not agree because you push for peace. These are bad elements that has infiltrated Jpac and he think they are his friends. You see, yeah, only in a political science, you will know that in your year one, I consider philosophy as a borrowed course. I consider psychology as a borrowed course, and I consider sociology as a borrowed course. All in measure these three courses in your year one, and to help to build your sense of judgment and how you look at things, how you analyze things, and how you decode how people behave. Even though Nimehoha as a full-time course, then I don't know what to tell you. So that is why when I look at some behaviors of people, I laugh because this is exactly, in fact, I can tell you what you will do the moment you make the first move. Why, if I say, then this thing. Hey, kame ngwa before okoto ma ụgwọ no ye kwe ma ụgwọ no ye kwe share this video gago ga yeah, thank God. Okay, that I'm hopeful. Yeah, you got to go. So all on image shall if you psychology. You got to go. Same way they pushed Ijere. Now let me tell you what happened during the time of Ijere. Ijere was running an independent program. Ijere was not actually doing something that concerns church and pastors. We all know the people Ijere not up against. Ijere not up against Biafra. Now, it got to the point where Ijere started talking about, I think it was during the time I arrested Matthias, that Ijere actually started talking about church and the pastors. Now, I want you to know that it is still the same people that are infiltrating all these pages. Who are those people? Matthias and his cohort. Matthias and his cohort. In case while we are talking about Jpac and Ogechi, don't think we are dealing with a different people here. We are not dealing with different people. Because I actually wanted to make a video, which I will still make that video, where I will be telling Matthias that he should not be happy, that he should not be celebrating, thinking that they have caused distractions. But when I remembered that it is still the same people that are disguising themselves, they disguise themselves as lovers of Ijele, they disguise themselves as lovers of Jpac, they disguise themselves as lovers of Evangelist Bukobi, they keep disguising themselves as lovers and fans of Onyobodo, they disguise themselves as lovers of Ebony Son. All these people, they are still people from the same WhatsApp group. Simple thinking, which will show you that. I know them. When they comment, let me tell you to be honest, as soon as they comment, as soon as the advice comes in, I already know whom they are. I already know whom they are. By their fruit, you shall know them. When they infiltrated the page of Ijele and they started sharing Ijele up, I had a conversation with somebody I know who has been the highest critics of Ijele. In fact, at this point, let me mention his name because I blocked Gonya off my page. So it doesn't matter anymore. Good Igbo has always been one of the highest critics of Ijele. He has criticized Ijele. That was a mistake. That was a mistake. Where I wanted to point out wasn't actually Ijele. Yes. The point I wanted to make, Iwona, Gulu has always been, I will still talk about the person in Negumbo, but since I've mentioned Gulu, let me talk about him in terms of Ijele. Gulu has always been one of the highest critics of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. And I tried to know why. Then he actually presented a case similar to the conduct of Ijele at that particular time. Ijele is claiming to be a disaster. Where you one day was here. Can even do different from what and the manner Mazen Nnamdi Kanu Juwene spread the message here then and what Ijele is doing today? He has always been of the opinion that any union, any strategy that is capable of bringing down the church, he is always ready to associate with it, not minding whether it is a genuine one or it is a bad one. We say good. That is good. So in the other way around, that same thing you are saying that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu did that made you to condemn him. Ijele is doing it now. Now, Samuel Favor, I've seen your first comment. I've seen your second comment. The third one, I will block you. The third one, I will block you. Ogechi Njaka is better than you times 100. Go and deal with it. Go and get a life. Go and get a life. Go and get a life. For a woman who you are calling evil, for a woman who you are calling all manner of bad names, to have gotten to the level of success where she is, and with your whole holiness, you are yet to achieve quarter of what she has achieved. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Why will you be telling me keep pushing her till she enter Nigeria? You gotta go. Why will you keep telling me that? Michael Nkem, coward. I have accepted to be a coward. Did you not see the day I crowned myself coward in Lagos? I crowned myself coward. Ulobu, my wife, Bulapa, my wife. I took up the mantle of a confirmed coward. I would rather be a coward than be an ofeke, like most of you. Most of you will fake. Ito no in English or wolf F-U-U-L. Compound one, if most of you unwefulefu, period. Showman, period. I know people like you. I am far more wiser than all of you. You cannot take it away. I am far more wiser than all of you. You cannot take it away from me. I understand all of you. You want to go? I understand perfectly all of you. Take your personal bitterness about whoever it is for to wherever you can go and express it. Don't come to my page because it cannot work. You want to go? You cannot die. Look at you telling me keep pushing her till she enter Nigeria. Somebody who is an American citizen. Somebody who is an American citizen, the word power. Yeah. Keep pushing her till she enter Nigeria. You are planning to run away from Nigeria, but you are trying to push someone to enter Nigeria. Yeah? You are in your own plan. Can you surely achieve this year? If you want to leave Nigeria before December 25, but somebody non-America, you want her to come back. Yeah? Yes, Carl before I got interrupted. Dalo. Now, where's here? So na the same thing now. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu Melu. Iji despise her so much. Remember that thing Omelu, he obviously did it for a reason. Now you decided to look away from that reason Ojiweme. Now you started to focus on the actions. So you thereby you casted aspersions on him. I told you, okay, it's perfect. That is your own sense of judgment. You have the right to judge him. I will not dispute you judging him. Now let us go to Ijele. I want you to know the caliber of people we are dealing with on Facebook here, so that people can see a lot of people. Okay, let me not get interrupted again until I'm done with this part. You gotta go. Let us go to Ijele proper. You claim that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu has threatened people. Has Ijele not threatened people? You claim that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu enwere respect. Ijele onwe respect. Kan na akpọ Ijele, kan na akpọ Matthias. Kan na akpọ Ijele, kan na akpọ Matthias. Kan na akpọ Ijele, kan na akpọ Matthias. Alongside, comparing them according to him with his assessment in Ebe Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. So I decided to group these three people together so that I will know why he has chosen to condemn the activities of Nnamdi Kanu, but has decided to uphold the activities of Ijele and the Kelafe Matthias Isaac. So, at the end of my conversations with him, I found out that he confirmed to me that any activities, any organization, any grouping anywhere that is going to bring about the fall of the church in Nigeria, he is 100% behind it. But he failed to understand that in the same manner, that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is ready to go with any organization or any group, provided not bring it down, not bring it about the fall of Nigeria, that he is ready to go with it. He gotta go. Now, he started asking me, na mo follow na ife Mazen Nnamdi Kanu mel, na kwa mo for ife or result go na Igbo. When see okay, how did this start? How did this start? Yeah? It started exactly the same way Matthias has started. It started exactly the same way Ijele has started. So why will you condemn A and uphold B? Now this has always been my problem with them. Let me go to the person Muna Nidisi. This is the somebody who has always told me how hopeless Ijele do. This is somebody who told me in confidence that Ijele sneakily in and out of Imo State in Bakwalo Mweko grandmother. Why no meho live broadcast in Woberi Imo State? This is somebody who has told me that Ijele can never come down to the east again and move freely. This is the same person. The moment Ijele Bidolu Ebare Ndoka Evangelist Ebukobi, I had more like 5, 6 to 10 minutes argument with this person. That is, in fact, the last argument one this person made about Ijele today, Ijele was arrested tomorrow. In fact, we made that argument the moment Ijele announced about invitation here to the police. Can I understand the event? This same person where same now how powerful Ijele do. Yeah, is that so? Is that what you are telling me now? Now how powerful Ijele do. Where joy is here. Namo Biko, how powerful Ijele do. Or same Nigeria is more powerful than the whole Southeast governors, including Senator Hope Uzodimma. Say, since when Nigeria to zero this powerful? So Nigeria now became powerful because he now started supporting Matthias and his group. Now, you could see one more point to note was that all the people who has reduced Ijere to zero. Don't forget that in our comment section here, even before he started talking about church matters, Ozu, Butu, also, let me block you. It started a long time ago. Ndona Ozu, Butu, and also would those same people buzzing a page where the Koreaka, not Koreaka, not say right on, because na him we go a common enemy. Nyana ha na asho. What I go nyana fa na asho. Here we go a common enemy. Nyana ha na asho. So they started clapping for him. They started telling us how powerful Ijele is. They started telling us that Ijele is more powerful than everybody. That na yeche no Matthias. Remember those words. Do you think Ijele is Matthias? When they are saying this, they know nothing about you. They are only in support of you because you have come out to do what they cannot do, but they are looking for people they can use to achieve that. I'm telling you, they started challenging everybody, telling us how powerful Ijele was. Ijele became more powerful than the whole 5 East state governors put together. Ijele became Bedrumi Ijele, were on a DSS office. They actually said a lot. They said Ijele move inside the villa and come out at will. But he was not wise. Remember, when I joined this program, I asked him a question. Do you believe that all these people who are sharing you up are not your genuine followers? I knew what he answered me. I knew the answer he gave me. I knew the answer he gave me. Now, fast forward till today. Amunugo Ijele Koko. Not that they don't know that there is nothing Ijele can do, but they wanted to put that in front so that they can use it to confront you. Look, like I said, if you are psychologically aware, you will notice sometimes when I see most of the actions these guys exhibit, I laugh. I laugh at them. I laugh in Okigwe. Now, they keep moving. Now, they came to this Jpac issue. The point I told you is that the program I wanted to make today was to actually address Matthias followers. But at the end of the day, I realized that either ways, it is still the same people that we are dealing with. They have not changed. The only thing they end up doing is that they keep on changing colors. They keep wearing clothes of many colors. They decided to change themselves to Ijele followers. They become anti-Biafra then. For the sake of, they changed again. They now became lovers of Evangelist Ebukobi simply because they want Zion ministry to openly denounce Evangelist Ogechi. So when they come to my page, they now disguise themselves again as I either being neutral or being the people that loves me. They change like chameleon. They give you advice. You will think Nanda for Afano. I am wiser than all of you. I know you one by one. I have taken notice of the most critics on my page. Yes, Samuel Favor, thank you very much. May God bless you. I love people who are being honest. If you are only one last thing on my wife, and that's very, very important that you get on take care. That last thing on my wife, you gotta go because that will be a take home for you. You gotta go. You gotta go. Yeah. You gotta go. Yeah. You gotta even go. So they disguise themselves as if they are peacemakers, as if they are lovers of Igbos, as if they don't want to wahala. If you want to know who they are, go to page Jpac, copy their names. Go to page Jpac. Now Jpac name live broadcast. Go to Ebonyi Son. Go to the last time Okongudibia Melu broadcast. Not this one, Omelu. Now the other page on Eku, no reclaim. But I'm talking about Nkomelu na page here, that day all the drunk. Because I'm on my that day. There's nothing you can tell me. Okongu the drunk that day. I laughed. Can even have Zugo. Onwe comment ndị nne de katara na mụ ife njọrọ ụwụ ndị eshedo na mmadụ wee gu unu eshedo na mmadụ wee gu unu amaghị ife agwago m unu the only person unu ya aghọwo n'iwu somebody do as daft as etu unu do ọ bụrụ mụ I decode you before you even make a move ejiro nya n'isi I decode you. You can never be an unfriendly friend to me except if I have not really paid attention to you. You can never claim or pretend to be an unfriendly friend to me. When you say something, I know I have a way of at least 70% knowing if it is coming from the deepest part of your heart. You got to go. I know that you people have disguised yourself. You have changed into a chameleon. You have changed into coat of 7 colors or many colors. You have decided to adjust yourself into different shapes and sizes. Your aims are the same. Stop coming to my page to advise me about Ogechi because I know who you are. Stop coming to my page to advise me against talking about Matthias because I know who you are. Stop coming to my page to advise me about, for me to stop talking about Oka Umenana because I know whom you are. Stop coming to my page to remind me that Jpac who own your one name because Oblon Iho Feke, Yaman Ogechi, one name. Are you getting my point? Stop coming to tell me, can if you go na one name okay na analog because Oblon Idro daft. You will know that no Ogechi one name one. So the moment you speak, I know where you are coming from. Stop coming to recruit me. I have a mind of my own. If you think you can say it or talk about issues better than I'm doing, you are free to open your page. I also used to be commenting na page Matthias. When I found out that my comment is not being heard as it's supposed to, I decided to open up my own page and I built it till it got to this 50-something thousand followers, still counting. So you can as well go and open your page so that you can air your own opinion. But don't stop disguising yourselves to come and advise me. I don't need it. Yes, I am not talking about those people who are advising me genuinely. I know you. That is why when you request my number, I give you my number. When I give you my number by mistake, and after talking to me, I go back to go and review. When I review and I find out who you are, I will wait for you the next time. I understand the game. I understand the tools about the game very well. You know that good? I did not come into this social media blew up as a novice. According to Ntunu situation, I did not come in here as a novice. I cannot be recruited. I know what I want. Do not advise me. I have the right to maintain my position or say how I feel about things. I don't need your advice. I don't know if you're getting me. Lastly, if you think you are 50 people that hate me, I have more than thousands of people that love me here. When you are saying that, do you know how many people who, in fact, I'm a call or this day I say the call. Are you getting my point? You gotta go. She knows better than the cable. Don't forget, if I'm not sure very important. You gotta go on. I'm all the first person it's always the normal line up on now. I'm on the first person But in a bone, don't forget to the first person who buy boy anon cape. You want to go? The first person that who buy boy anon cape. Now I have a lot of people who love me. In fact, they love me beyond every reasonable doubt. You want to go? They love me. Here. Onye pụta ọnwụ na ha sị ngụ na onye ahịa. I have a lot of people who love me. Onye ka ewukwa na esibeghị ejebu onye better than the kebo. Esibeghị ejebu onye kere ebe esibeghị oketa apụọ kere bụ onye a ga-aba. Onye ka ewu mmeji wee kia na like them. There are people who genuinely love me. We see that love. You want to go? Mgbe onye je nọ n'ebe like ha nọ. Kedu ife nọ hie eme? Kedu ife nọ hie eme? I don't need you. Stop advising me. Maintain your position. I want to confront you for who you are. Actually, Talka granite for who you are. Faribuzo, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Onye Jeremiah Zomta. Dalono. Thank you very much. What I go? I am number one. I am number one. What I go? So, Nguma na-edewe ahụ na like him. Esibege jebunye. I am asking you, onye ka ewu. Do you think that your hatred, pretty Angela, that thank you very much. Do you think that your hatred can hinder me from either progressing or it can actually make me to stop progressing? It cannot. Why are you wasting your time on my page? Why can't you disappear and go to where you can exercise your right very well? Dalono, a better shade. Informer, thank you very much. You got to go. I have always said that. All Bobrisky will follow us. All James Brown will follow us. All Speed Darrington will fans. All Agoba. Okay, Agoba, the Nollywood actor. All Agoba will fans. What makes you think Ezgo cannot have a fan? I cannot have fans. Take that your advice elsewhere. I know no how disaster to an Igbo. I know no how come and meet me in UK. I want to go to Bendebe Kebo. I want to go to Bendebe Kebo. You may be one of those non-entities in UK. You may be one of those lovers in UK, patrolling the street of UK and constituting nuisance. Who says you cannot be in UK? Who says that Ofeke cannot be in UK? Who says that Ofeke cannot be in UK? You got to go. Onwere ndị nọ na UK nọ n'obodo oyibo asịghị na ogbe na ishoku nọ n'ụlọ mana ogbe na-enye n'azụ n'afịa. I want you to tell me, direct me to your place. I want to go and know who you are. You got to go. I want to go and know who you are. I say come and meet you in UK. I can actually come to UK and meet you. Can you come to Nigeria and meet me? You in Nigeria, I want you to come to Nigeria and meet me. In fact, Ekebo, Ebatu no Christmas and all Yabata, Bame I want to come and see you. Shall I come and meet me in UK? December Christmas instead of come and meet me in Imo State, come and meet me in Calabar. They say come and meet you in UK. So I must leave Nigeria, your homeland, to come to UK and meet you. You are not even thinking of coming back home here so that we can meet. Have you seen? That is why some of you have sense. You think that because in UK, no go see with sense. You can be in UK yet with sense. As a matter of fact, all majority of people will be outside when they Kolo Hanaria Dohanisi. Some of you empty ones. One day, things to lose here. A lot of you know outside things to lose here. Who know that they are working day in and night to get it right back home here. They cannot be behaving like miscreant to most of you people say behave. Yes, it is because you have nothing here, you have nothing to lose here, you are not even coming back here for anything again. You have sold your birthright and you have relocated permanently to UK. It's not even as if na UK they are putting tax themselves. We know some of you. You think we don't know? Ndala boat. na-ekwu okwu esi nkọma na-edise Christmas ibe ga agbachana tiketi ha ejibi unu na-asị nkọma meet you in UK debe ka nna abịa meet you na UK nya ibe m na-akwado ịgba Christmas ana m abịa UK bịafụ I thought you would be coming back ọkwa iso na ndị na-asị Ogechi come to Nigeria. Are you not going to come to Nigeria? Esi m bịa meet you na UK ọkwa iso na ndị na-asị Ogechi come to Nigeria. Are you not going to come to Nigeria? I'm asking you, are you not going to come to Nigeria? Mana na-asị Ogechi come to Nigeria. Ndala, I know you people. I know you people. You know what I go? Your hatred can never take somebody back from progressing. It cannot even make somebody to start progressing. Otherwise, the love will be here, the light of Africa. No, I can make give here the Awolo Baba. If your love cannot make here to be Baba, I don't know. It is because of your love. Keji will celebrate him one mother. Why in a page for thousands of people to see him? 100,000. That is the kind of love. It is the same love in born. We family where why any because no didn't contribute to the 100,000 yeah. That is the kind of love. I gotta go. That is the kind of love. I don't need that love. I gotta go. I know you. By your comment, I already know you. By your comment, I already know you. Stop advising me. I know people who I value their advice. I know those people are speaking. They are speaking from the genuinely from their heart. Amarisha, how are you? You gotta go. Because I know they are speaking from their genuine heart. Chinon so better than the cabo. Okwi de wala huni nwere ọnụ. If ọ na maybe go kere. Ikweta go na ọ na-eme. Ikweta go na ọ na-eme. Ikweta go na ọ na-eme. Anọ mbem ọka obi bata begu gwa mbia begu. I'll come to your house. Don't tell me to come to UK. I can come to UK. Actually, I can come to UK. Okwa UK kono na akwe. I can come to UK. Ejikwana ego na abia UK. Egole ka eji abia UK. I can actually come there for a holiday, 1 week holiday, 1 month holiday. I'll come and have fun and enjoy myself and come back here. Yes, I will have many people who will even be willing to host me there. So who says I can't come there? Challenge will go beyond Nigeria. Or Nigeria will be now. Come to Nigeria no cargo. You cannot come. If you go and get if you give them to a car, I can go home. I can go them their way. It is not an advantage. Advantage, home advantage. So I have studied you people on Facebook and I have known you. None of you will use my brain. None of you will use my brain. Okay, Fulunde, Ezugo, I have never commented on your program before, but madam, I have never commented on your program before, but now them or comment more than 50 times. Manona show the best way. Oh, you see where logo that message. Yeah. Ki wait sheluli no nya wole mado onye nwere sense na ekwu okwu. Until we just start commenting ya iwe fun onye nwere sense. E show say just search ya for other numerous comment here. Ke mara onye na-ete comment. You want to go? Just search here for other numerous comments. I pity for Jpac, honestly. I'm sorry to say this, but I pity for him. I will not understand this manner of things and all these things now. I don't think he will fall into your trap. Even if I go do with Zion or with Zion, he will still choose to fight it with the right people. He will still use sense to fight it with the right people. You should know that all these people gonna have they don't love you. But for the sake of those people gonna find a mefa, they will come to you. They can never give you a genuine advice. I know. They will never give you a genuine advice. They don't love peace. They don't promote peace. They don't have any business with peace. What they want is kamuye beni inoko, kamuye They talk about Facebook monetization. They leave the people who are even benefiting from that Facebook monetization. They come to you that your Facebook is not even monetized. A lot of you who are hating on Ogechi. Tata. Oh, no. You get the point? Yeah? I know. Stop hating on people who has done nothing to you. Be issue based. He hate go on Ogechi, hate on Ogechi, hate on Ogechi. Mukuraida on Ogechi were American citizen. Mukuraida na that prayer request na yo Chineke since na ya go na ya lo since Mukuraida na Ogechi je at a platter of gold. Mukuraida that onye go na American citizen. Mukuraida. Kiri nwere ifo oke Ogechi na-eti ọtọ ndị mmadụ o tiri ọtọ n'ihu akwụkwọ ị na-agba ọtọ ị na-esekleti ọtọ kedu ife wu problem hapụ kene na onye o sekleti ọtọ ka nya na onye ahụ nọba. I want to know you people can disguise yourself ma ndị ha etiri Ogechi ma ndị love Matthias, all of them. They are disguising themselves and they are advising you every day. Stay away from Ogechi. Stay away from Ogechi. Stop talking about Matthias' brother. It is because I love you. Love. Go and love your family. I don't need your love. Go and love your family. I don't need your love. Go to page Matthias. Biko, stop doing this because we are brothers. I want you to go to page niile ebe a na-eje aga Ogechi iyi ka ị gosi m ebe ị na-eje agba ha biko hapụnụ this girl anya chebele onwe. You cannot do that. If ị chọrọ owu si gọba ya iyi si kpọwa ya ife niile ahụ akpa Matthias mebe ife niile ọ na-eme, but we should not talk. We should not talk. Kịtịkpa ya agba ka na-eme press up na Sambisa forest. From today I will start blocking this set of people. In a claim page in the but you cannot go. You can still not go. Why must you even wait until I block you? Why must you even wait until I block you? I'm asking you. Must you honestly wait till I block you? What is it in the Kukacha special? Oh, like a culture. Yes. You already know that even in Neku can never, and don't think you can disguise yourself to come and advise him. I already know you. Yes, I already know you. Onwe Samsung dunimuno. The only reason Samsung screenshot to do na waja